Hola mi gente bella y bienvenidos a mi canal. My name is Sandra if this is your first time here, and welcome to my channel. In this channel, you'll be learning and I'll be speaking about everything high-end or luxury candle making business tips. So in today's video, it is very exciting because I finally got my boxes, which is boxes that I was waiting for about 3 weeks, and I was highly upset because I had purchased these a while ago and I paid for express shipping, but somehow or whatever, it got stuck in customs and it took a while. So I finally got it, and therefore, those people who have ordered, I will be shipping your orders very soon. Thank you for waiting. If you are watching, I apologize, but it took so long for it to get here. So it's finally here. So you already saw a clip of me bringing them into my office area, and we are going to be opening what I got. It's been so long, I kind of forgot exactly what I purchased because it's been so long. But I'm sure I have an idea of what it is. So we're gonna go down to the floor and we're going to open my packages. Yes. Okay, so I got my handy dandy scissors, and we're going to be opening this box that is closest to me. Let me put it right side up, just in case that nothing, comes apart. I hope not. But let's see. Oh wow, they look so pretty. Look at that. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, nice. So this is my fragrance and candle box, and this is the fragrance, well actually the candle that's gonna go in there, and then this is the fragrance that's gonna go in there. And look how it looks. Doesn't that look luxurious? Perfect. It fits. Ooh. Doesn't that bring you joy? Just like the name of the cassette. Okay, it sounded like I said cassette, but I said set. Perfect! I'm going to be counting all of these off camera because obviously I need to make sure that I have all that I received. Actually, there's supposed to be more, but because I wanted to be in time for the holidays, I purchased enough to be sent via express, and then the rest are going to be sent via sea shipping. So I cannot remember how much she said she was going to put in here, but I think it's 100, maybe 50. I gotta go see my invoice. So $1 down, 4 more to go. Let me know if you guys like this packaging for my new collection. And I really liked it. It came out really pretty. And like on video when she showed it to me, and in pictures when she showed it to me, it looked huge. And I was very afraid that it was going to be too big for the boxes, for the candle and the fragrance set. But it's fairly, this, you know, it's a good size. And the best thing about it is that it's already come preset, prepackaged for gift giving. So my customers don't really have to purchase anything extra other than if they want to put it in a bag, which I also offer in my shop. So basically, like, it's all there. Yeah. Oh, look. I didn't realize that. The package has the number of items in there. It's 60. So, yeah, it should be 60. So, well, that one, the one that I just opened, was 63. I guess because they're smaller. So, I guess this one is another item in my box. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, pretty, 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 pretty. And this one is for my blush suede candle set. And it fits perfectly in here. Huh? Perfect. With my logo in the front and everything. Yes, it's perfect. I was going to get the foam in the inside of this box to secure it, but then when she did the sample, the boxes, like the box was extra big to accommodate for the foam, which is the EVA foam, and I didn't like it because it was just too big and too clunky. So I just told her, you know what, just make the box exactly the fit of the candle so that the candle could just sit in the box. And she's like, are you sure? I was like, yeah, why not? Like, I have other boxes and I don't have that inside. So why wouldn't this be okay? Anyways, so yeah, so I told her to do that and they came out pretty nice. And I'm glad I told her to do that because the other one was just too big. It would have looked exaggerating. So aside from the box already being exaggerating as it is, imagine a bigger one just for this, you know, candle. So I'm happy with this outcome. It doesn't even want to come out. And again, I think I ordered 100. I can't be 100% sure because I don't remember. But I have to look at my invoice and find out what I ordered. Because I remember I ordered 5 boxes, but I just don't remember how many was in each. Or was it 100? Was it 50? I don't remember. Okay, so I want to say that it was 100 because some of them have the same quantity on them, but I'll just open it and see what's inside of those boxes. I think I only ordered these 2 sizes. I don't know. We'll just figure it out when I open it. Oh yeah, I forgot that I ordered this. And this one is my the perfume oil boxes. Let me get those right quick. Ooh, look at that. It fits perfectly in here. And I had a little bit of an issue with her and this because apparently they put this thing upside down and it took a while for her to understand what I was trying to say. But eventually it came out exactly how I wanted it. And it is right side up, not upside down like she wanted her to do it like this. And then she was like, no, but it's okay because it's still, you could turn it around when you open it. I'm like, no. I want it to be like this when I look at it on the back, when I look at it in the front, right? Makes sense. Because this doesn't matter if it goes upside down because I could always turn it around. But if the EVA insert in the inside, it's upside down, and this one, it's right side up, it's not going to make any sense. So yeah, I told her that it needs to be right side up. And so these comes in threes. It's 3 cents and 3 different scents. So I was going to do it that the customers could actually pick the 3 cents that they want to put in the box, but it was a hassle to try to figure that out on Shopify to make that into an option. And I did have an app that worked to do it, but that app was making my website super slow, and it was also making my checkout also, like, it had a glitch in it, so I had to delete that app, and I just kept everything super simple. And that's why I pre-picked the 3 fragrances to go in each of the boxes, so that all you have to do is just pick out of the 3, either the earthy floral or the spa day scents, or the floral scents. And I'm going to add a 3rd one, which is, well, this will be the 4th. So I'll be adding a 4th one, which is going to be the fruity scents, because I got those scents now. And all I have to do is just do the fragrances for it and take pictures for it, because I don't have any product pictures for them yet. So I am not going to put those on the website just yet. But these are going to go right up, because I had already wrote all my product descriptions for these and took pictures for these, and all I have to do is just click on active, and then it'll be up on my website. And also, people who already ordered these, I'm going to be sending it out super soon, which is on Monday, because today is Saturday and Sunday UPS does not go out, and so I have to wait until Monday. And sure enough, this will be going out, well, the orders will be going out on Monday. And I want to say these other 2 are the same items as the other last 2 that I ordered, that I already opened, because honestly, I don't remember what else did I order. I'm trying to be extra careful because I don't want to get cut. Not that I cut before, but you never know. It's better to be careful than to be sorry. Oh, dang it. I opened it upside down. Yeah, okay, so yeah, so these are the same boxes as my blush suede candle box. So this one is just the individual box, for that one candle, and obviously I opened it upside down, so I'm gonna have to re-tape this and open it on the other side. Okay, so yeah, this will be the box with the fragrances. So again, this is the regular box with the fragrances, and this is how it goes. And that is it for this video, you guys. I just wanted to just jump in here and show you guys my product boxes, and I love them. They came out super cute. They came out exactly how I wanted it, because I am extremely picky and kind of demanding, but it came out nice, and all I have to do is just put them in the in my website, update everything, and make some candles. And I will be putting hopefully that candle video as well up sometime in like 2 weeks or something, and this one should be up soon. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment down below to let me know how did you like my boxes. I'm so excited. I hope you're excited for me as well. So, hasta la próxima. Bye, mi gente bella.